Hey guys, it's Lamont from Bashers United. This is the second test of my QAVR. Anyways, F80s. I'm putting them on here. I've had issues with these F80s. I think there might be something wrong with one of them. I don't know which one it is. I put Dow Cyclones on here before, and it was making this weird like pulse noise. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the video, but she's making mad oscillation noises. I think it was an unbalanced prop. I tried it out last night. I didn't hear the pulse noise. I'm running butter cutters right now. It's my last set. I don't really like them that much, so I don't mind not them being destroyed or whatever. So let's see if this works. This is my final test with these F80s. I was gonna take them out of rotation, you guys. I was like, you know what? Like, they're haunted. These are the haunted F80s. Let's call them that. Because everything I put them on, something fails on that quad. Alright, some of that noise is my antenna aggressively bending down into my props. I've actually cut the end of my antenna off. And it's even crazier is, I don't know, I'll show you guys in a picture later, but my antenna is basically bending down into my props. So some of that noise is that, so I'm going to fix that right now. Let's cue her up a little bit. Get a hold on Didn't hear anything weird. Alright. That was dumb, but I did it anyways. Let's go check the footage. Trying this again. I heard a little bit of oscillation, and now I turned my motor timing down to medium. It's on medium high. I also am using stock Betaflight PIDs. Last flight, I turned the motor timing to medium. Now it's on high. Medium seemed to make the oscillation worse, and I'm using my regular PIDs, not the Betaflight stock PIDs, and hopefully just that change. Maybe the F80s need a high motor timing. I know that the F45As, the 6S ESCs that T-Motor puts out, come default at high. So let's see if that works. Hopefully I don't burn out my ESCs. I'll be quite upset. heat is moderate, I guess. I don't think there's any one motor that's more warm than any of the others. It's a lot less oscillation this time. I wouldn't say there was none. Let's see, 15.3 volts, 2.29 run time. I'd say we get another 30 seconds out of that before the battery stopped running, so that's not too bad. All right, a couple flips, couple rolls, checking motor temps again. Yeah, they're just a nicely used warm. ESCs. Wish I had a temp gun. I do, but it's jacked up. Yeah, there's no like extreme heat coming off the ESCs. So I think we're gonna keep the high setting and just run it like that. I like it. Didn't seem to drain the battery any faster, and the oscillations I've seen to be gone away. So I think I'd end my adventure with the F80s. I was going to take them off, as I said several times, and just either sell them or throw them in the trash. But I think I got them working straight, and at least to a way that I like them. So we're going to keep them. Maybe even keep these GIMP fans on here. Flies pretty good. Skadooses. Actually, I'm going to go watch the footage. That's what I'm going to do, but you guys don't need to watch me watch the footage, because you've already seen the footage. Oh, by the way, subscribe over there. Watch some old videos over there. Do it.